This is Gabe Agilin with MarineMax in Miami, and today I want to give you a full walkthrough on this 400 Saxdor GTC. The 400 GTC is part of the 400 family, which includes 400 GTO, GTC, and GTS. Starting with this 400 GTC, here in the back, this one is powered by twin V10 Mercury 400 outboards. Back here on this large swim platform, which wraps around the engines, gives you a lot of space to maneuver. You'll also be able to add an extended shade back here that connects with two poles to your hardtop and gives you an aft shade option, which is really nice for the hot summer days. As you walk into the boat, you'll see that you have an electric grill accompanied by a wet bar sink. Great area for you to grill and cook for your friends and family while you're out on the water. As we look into the boat, you do have a lot of space out here, especially while you're anchored out. You're able to drop down both terraces, which gives you a much larger footprint. This is something that is in all of Saxdor's DNA. You'll be able to see their drop-down wings on all their models. So something that's a really neat feature and gives you a lot of versatility on this boat. Speaking of versatility, you've got this back area here with this sun lounger. So when you're want to tan and hang out, enjoy the sun, you can expand this area backwards and get a much larger sun pad. Something that's unique to the GTC is this full enclosure. Right now we've got this open for airflow, but you can enclose this whole area. Under this couch seating area, you also have the optional aft berth, which is actually equipped on this model. We're not going to do it for the sake of time, but you do have a nice air-conditioned aft berth option equipped on this model. Moving into your cockpit and your main area here, you've got a lot of space still, a lot of seating, but it's easy to walk around. I love the table, how it folds up and gives the ability to maneuver around, let everybody kind of get situated without people having to get up and move around, and very comfortable seating. This area here actually doubles up as another row facing forward when you're on your way, but when you want to just use the boat here standing still, you're able to scoot this seat back and enjoy a nice U-shaped seating here. Also on this model, you'll see this Sahara sand upholstery. Very nice and cool. I like how they've done and incorporated the Saxdor logo back here. Gives you a kind of a classier feel, a very luxury but very simple touch to this boat. Here to your port side, you're going to have your cooktop as well as a fridge. You've got a storage area here and another wet bar. As we move forward to the helm area, this one is very well equipped. You've got 3 MFDs by Simrad. You've got your bow thruster here, a dedicated Simrad screen just for your engines, and obviously your joystick, your throttle control system. So again, a lot of information that you can have here at one time. Saxdor makes a very clean and neat display. I love the windshield, and the visibility here is very open. You've got 2 large windshield wipers for ultimate protection, and of course you do still have a sunroof that opens up. So when you're out on a very nice day like today, you can open this whole boat up, sliding glass doors, get your sunroof open and your aft gate as well. Let a lot of airflow over here. In here, you've got your main cabin, V-berth for sleeping. You also have AC in here. I love the privacy that Saxdor has added with all the different shades, but you can also open this up and get a lot of natural sunlight. Open the door to your bathroom, which gives you access to your wet shower and toilet. Moving on to the bow, I do want to point out this very rigid door. It's a soft close, so you don't have to worry about it slamming. Very easy to pull. A large walk-through area here to be able to get to your bow area, which is extremely comfortable. You've got a lot of seating. Again, another area just for you to enjoy. That's one of the things that I think stands out about this boat. It has so many different social areas with your terraces, your dining table, your sunbed in the back, the cabin, and then this front area. It really they do a really good job of meshing all these different social areas. And just a great day to a great place to end a nice day on the water, watch a sunset. You've got your access to your anchor down in the front, and again, this is another area where you can add a manual shade to provide some extra comfort. I hope you like this tour of the Saxdor 400 GTC. Again, my name is Gabe Agilin, and we're here at MarineMax Miami. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit us on the web. Thank you very much.